how to fix SIM card no service problem on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix the problem if you're experiencing the no service SIM card error on any iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. But to not fix the problem, the very first thing that you can do is you can simply go ahead and swipe down for the very top and go to the control center and then enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, turn it back off, and this will actually slightly restart the network system and see if that fixed your problem or not. You'll get to see my problem is not fixed yet. Then just get back from here. Then the very next thing that you have to do, open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap on general and then tap on about. And from here you just need to wait some time, and if you have any carrier update, it will pop up and you just need to update the carrier settings for your iPhone. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here and get back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on cellular, and under the cellular you'll get to see lots of options. You just need to scroll down a little bit and here'll get your SIM card. So you just need to tap on the SIM card that you're having problem with. So I'm going to select the SIM card, and from here the very first thing that you have to do is go ahead and tap on network selection and make sure the automatic network selection should be enabled. If it's toggled off, go ahead and enable this feature, then get back to the settings again and then scroll down, tap on voice and data, and make sure you have selected the higher frequency for your device. So I'm going to select the 4G. If you have 5G, you can select the 5G from here, and also enable the VO LTE from your device, and then get back from here and then get back again. And I'm going to select the second SIM card for my device, and I'm going to do the same process for this one. And once you're done with all these settings, you just need to get back from here and force to restart your iPhone. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and this will actually force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Let's say you did this process where you still have the problem, then the very next thing that you have to do, you just need to eject your SIM card, then wait around 4 to 5 minutes, and after that insert your SIM card back again, and most likely this will fix your problem. But after doing all this process, if you found that you still have the same problem over and over again, then here's the last and final process that you guys can follow. Simply go ahead and open up the settings app once again from your device, and then scroll down, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network setting, the second option, and then put your iPhone passcode and go ahead and tap on the reset network setting. But make sure this will reset your network related settings and it will get back to the default. And once you do that, most likely a problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.